Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today we're going to be making paper flowers. Let's get started. For this flower design, you're going to need colorful paper, scissors, and every table will have a glue sponge to share. To make this design, you're going to need strips of colorful paper and you're going to have to fold them in half to start. Next, you're going to use your scissors to cut out the decorative edge that you'd like for your flower petal. So here I have a curved shape on these. And then to attach these together, what you're going to do is push this into the glue sponge, like so. You can see the glue on it, and push these together, okay? You see there's a little glue right there. You do not want that. No. So I got to make sure this is dry. And if that happens, you just kind of wipe it away. And then it dries very quickly. All right. And then when attaching it to here, I'll go ahead and push down in the center part where I want it to attach to the stem, like so. Well, I cannot wait to see what type of flower you decide to make. Till next time, keep being creative.